and the way como escuchamos en el video.
As we listened in the video.
Artificial intelligence, well, the technology use artificial intelligence to make easier our daily life. Like we say, voice assistant or on telephones, also in our home security, maybe, and also in our cars. We can find artificial intelligence in a lot of aspects in our daily life.
Yeah. And Erwin, Antonio, do you have artificial intelligence in your house or not?
According to the video, it says that we do.
Okay. If we have a smart TV, for example, we are using artificial intelligence, yes? And if we have a smartphone, yes, we use artificial intelligence, which is number 2. Let's check number 2.
Of ordinary people, regardless of their expertise or experience. Innovation has been curtailed in some areas by the skills crisis, which sounds like a problem, but has been a driver behind the explosion of self-service and do-it-yourself solutions. Not every company needs to hire an army of computer geniuses to build their own digital brain today. They can simply lease one for the work they need done. Ready-built AI solutions exist for everything from marketing to HR, project management, and planning and design of production processes. During 2022, we will continue to see companies deploying AI and IoT infrastructure without owning a single server or any proprietary piece of cognitive code. No-code interfaces will become more popular as the lack of programming knowledge or detailed understanding of statistics and data structures will cease to become a barrier to bringing a world-changing idea into reality. OpenAI, a research group founded by Elon Musk and funded by, among others, Microsoft, recently unveiled Codex, a programming model that can generate code from natural spoken human language. As technology like this matures in 2022 and converges with possibilities offered by cloud infrastructure, our innovation and imagination will less frequently be held back by a lack of either resources or technical skills. Digitization, datafication, and virtualization. During 2020 and 2021, many of us experienced the virtualization of our offices and workplaces as remote working arrangements were swiftly put in place. This was just a crisis-driven.
Okay, are we digitalized nowadays or not? What do you consider, Josue? Josue Antonio, what do you think? Are we digitalized or not? Eileen, are you digitalized or not?
No, we aren't talking about this time your brain so good to say.
But in your concept, are you digitalized or not? Are you digitalized or not? What do you consider?
For me, maybe yes, we can make it.
Okay. Julio, veas. Julio César. Do you consider that you are digitalized or not? People who wants to talk, raise your hands. Nobody. Engineers are not digitalized? Yes, in the websites. Yeah, only in that place. Johnny Gary, Facebook, yeah.
Yes, Miss. In our uh, in Google too.
Yeah. Are we including your teacher? Are we digitalized or no? What do you think as engineers? What do you think as engineers? Okay, we are digitalized in order to get the CIs. Okay, at home, on your daily life, are you digitalized or not? Are you digitalized or not? Are you digitalized or no?
Isaac,
Samuel Augusto.
digital.
Yes, we are digitalized, Marco Antonio. There is only
Yo
one
dije,
student, huh? Marco Antonio Serrano. Yes, because the social media we use, very good. Erwin Antonio Paredes, very good, excellent. Okay, we are digitalized because we use the social media. Okay, Christian, Adrian, do you use chat or not? Christian? Ah, you use chat. And your Facebook? Yes, of course. And so, are you digitalized or not? Yes, because we use all this technology that we have to use, yes? We use internet, we use WebEx, we use so many applications, and you have many opportunities to exchange information, not with people who are here, with people who are out. Yes? With people who are out, you interchange information. Okay, then, what more? Kevin Zarate, are you digitalized or not? Kevin Diego Zarate, Mamani, are you digitalized or not? Kevin? Kevin Diego, are you digitalized or not? What do you say? Kevin? No, Kevin, he died. Okay, then we are going to go into the future trends. When we talk, this is the unit number 6, okay? Unit number 6. Okay, when we talk about future trends, we think about what? About what? About what? About the things that we are going to have in the future. Yes? Okay. So the things that we may have in the future are going to have and are going to imply different challenges on technology, on robotics, on artificial intelligence. In all the areas, we are going to have this future trend and the challenge. Yes? Okay. Please, could you check your texts? I am going to share the text in this moment. If you have on ahead, it will be great. Then, when we talk about the future trends of information technology, we are talking about what? Please, who is going to read quickly? Who is going to read? People?
Me,
Hi,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, please go ahead.
Um, Unit 6, Future Trends of Information Technology. Information systems have evolved at a rapid pace ever since their introduction in the no sé leer,
1950s.
1960s. The Internet has made the interworld accessible to use, allowing us to
As
communicate and collaborate with each other like never before.
Thank you. Okay. So they say information systems have evolved rapidly. What does it mean? Johnny Gary, do you remember the first month when the COVID-19 appeared and the authorities say, no more people going out of their houses. Everybody in their houses. How did change the technology?
Everyone have had to change to virtual work.
And this is technology or not?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Okay. And what about Johnny Gary? What about the situation that do you think that it permitted to solve problems or not? Technology permits you to solve some problems or not?
Yes, it permits me resolve a lot of problems.
How?
Uh,
An example.
for example, I don't have to get out of my house to have some meets with my friends or with my teamwork, and
Okay.
I gain a lot of time with this.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Any other person? Okay, to find lost people. Very good, Antonio. Very good. People, how technology in the moment that COVID-19, boom, affected not only Bolivia, around the world. If we imagine where started the problem, where started the COVID-19, do you remember? Where was the point of starting of COVID-19?
China, miss?
In China, yes. And do you remember many people used to say, from China to Bolivia, who is going to bring that stupid sickness? Yes or no? But we have got, and the whole world changed the system through technology. Okay, let's continue. Oops, sorry. Am I presenting? No. No, yes? Okay. Okay, who is going to continue reading? Technology? Who is
Can
going
I
to
read, teacher?
go ahead, please?
Technology today is evolving at a rapid pace and enabling faster change and progress, causing an acceleration of the rate of change. However, it is not only technology, trends, and emerging technologies that are evolving. A lot more has changed this year due to the outbreak of COVID-19, making NAT professionals realize that their role will not stay the same in the contactless world tomorrow. And an IT professional in 2021 and 22 will constantly be learning, unlearning, and relearning out of necessity of no desire.
Thank you very much. So, what happened or what is happening in the year 2021 and 2022? What is happening? What changes have we experimented? Eden and Sharon, have you experimented any change?
Yes, teacher. For example, in education, virtual education, uh, I think uh, we learn manejar,
To
uh,
use
to use devices, uh, mucho más that
more,
um,
more,
que antes, more
more than
before
before?
than before. Um, I think and I see in TV include the schools we use artificial intelligence for example when a children didn't go to school, use a robot. Uh, it is amazing for me.
Very good, excellent. And what about my friends? Antonio was saying to overweight. The overweight was also a change. Yeah, if we eat too much, yes, we are going to get a little bit fat, yes? Yeah, of course, we are going to change. And if you meet your friends, maybe they are a little bit more, everybody is a little bit more, we get fat or we get older, yes? Two things. Okay, what more or how the technology has changed? What more? Which more have changed? Which other changes have you experienced? No changes? Wow, it would be a very rare group. Christian, Adrian, have you suffered any change on the technological use? Adrian? Christian, Adrian Flores Garcia? Have you experienced any change or not? David Eduardo, no? Okay, which changes, Christian? Christian, which changes as future professional on these areas, on the informatics, on the computers, how have you seen this change? Christian, how have you seen the changes? Nobody. Los de informática no han sufrido ningún cambio. Erwin, Antonio.
I think that the e-commerce has changed a lot, and many of the stores that didn't digitalize their service totally
Okay, very
disappeared.
good. This is excellent. Many stores digitalized their sellings of products. Yes? Very good, huh? Okay, let's continue. We are on 17. We are going to have a work on 5 minutes. Don't let me to pass because we are going to have this work. Okay, who is going to continue? Information technology. What about information technology? The IT. People, information technology or IT. Who is going to read? People.
Can I miss?
Go ahead, please.
Okay. Information technology is the concept involved.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Information technology is the concept involving the development, maintenance,
Maintenance.
maintenance, and use of computer systems, software, and networks for the processing and distribution of data. Often in the context of a business or other enterprise, IT is considered to be a subset of information and communications technology, ICT. Do I continue?
Okay. Continue, please.
Okay, in this unit, we present the 9 emerging technology trends that we should watch for and try at in 2022, and possibly secure one of the jobs that will be created by these new technology trends. That includes artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotic process automation, RPA, edge computing, quantum computing, virtual reality and augmented reality, blockchain, Internet of Things, 5G, and cybersecurity.
Okay. These are the 9 trends that we are going to work on Friday. Okay. Of course, one by one we are going to work, but let's remember the technology trend. These technologies are for 2021 and 2022. How does it change it? It changed a lot since the COVID-19. Yes, since the year 19, we have to recognize that we have changed a lot in all the aspects, on medical aspects, communications, and as one of our friends have told, not going out from our homes obliged us to use technology resources maybe we didn't use before. ¿Cuántos de nosotros hemos pataleado y hemos sufrido con la tecnología en el momento que se ha dejado de asistir o salir a las calles, ¿no? Okay, how many of us were experiencing these changes? So many people wanted to get crazy because no computers, not this and that, not devices. The devices were very expensive nowadays, not so, but they are expensive already. Okay, we are on 1522. Ok, ya estamos a los 3 minutos antes de que se active un trabajo en el Classroom, ¿ya? Ustedes tienen las instrucciones ahí. Ojo, dice, organice un grupo de 5 personas. No puede ser 4, no. Ahí dice 5, ¿ya? Y no podemos ser 6 porque mi amigo, pues es mi amigo licenciada, no lo voy a dejar afuera. No, ahí dicen 5, solo 5 para responder rápidamente al cuestionario que tienen. El cuestionario que tienen tiene que estar en base al texto que hemos avanzado. En el texto ustedes tienen toda esta información. Para hacer los mapas mentales, ustedes han tenido que leer esa unidad. Por lo tanto, ahora vamos a formar, como las instrucciones ustedes ya las pueden ir leyendo, ¿ya? Se les va a activar el trabajo y ustedes van a tener solo hasta menos cuarto, hasta la hora que termina nuestra clase, ¿ya? Para la siguiente clase, ustedes ya tienen que leer las primeras partes, por lo menos, de lo que son future trends, ¿ya? Hoy día hemos estado muy de trabajo espiritual. Puede ser porque han festejado mucho el 1 de mayo. Pero ahora ya seguramente ya se activó el trabajo, ¿sí o no? ¿Sí o no? No todavía. Unos segundillos y el trabajo se activa. No se preocupen, tenemos 1 minuto todavía para cuando se active, ¿ya? O sea que no se desesperen, se les va a activar. Ustedes ya más o menos que se conocen, vayan formando sus grupos. Por ahora, para este trabajo, ustedes están escogiendo, pero después ya voy a lanzar ya las listas para que cada uno, cada uno tiene que formar su grupo. Ahora, solo un grupo, solo una persona sube el trabajo. Por eso les he puesto colocar los nombres y apellidos. Solo una persona sube el trabajo, ¿ya? Por si acaso, ahí ya van organizándose. Solo 5. Vamos a ver si ya se activó. Ella debería activarse. Listo, ya está su trabajo. Ya está, ¿verdad? Ok, recuerden, solo 5 personas. ¿Pueden abandonar la clase, por favor?